If you're looking to build a strong foundation in Microsoft 365 and understand how modern cloud-based productivity solutions work, then the Microsoft 365 Certified Fundamentals MS-900 exam is the perfect starting point. The MS-900 certification is designed for beginners, business professionals, students, and IT newcomers who want to understand Microsoft 365 services from both a technical and business perspective. It validates your knowledge of cloud concepts, Microsoft 365 core services, security and compliance capabilities, and pricing and support models. In this exam, you're expected to understand core cloud concepts and Microsoft 365 fundamentals, Microsoft 365 productivity and teamwork solutions, security, compliance, privacy, and trust in Microsoft 365, and Microsoft 365 pricing, licensing, and support options. This certification proves that you understand how Microsoft 365 enables collaboration, enhances productivity, and protects organizational data in a modern workplace environment. In this series, we'll walk through carefully selected MS-900 practice questions that reflect real exam scenarios. For each question, you'll get clear explanations, logical breakdowns, and reasoning behind both correct and incorrect answers. And for full exam preparation, p2pexams.com provides high-quality practice questions and exam-focused study resources to help you prepare with confidence. Let's begin.
Question number 1. A company plans to deploy a solution to manage its Windows 10 computers. Some computers are connected to the corporate network, and some computers are connected to the Internet. The solution must meet the following requirements. Deploy an operating system to the computers. Join the computer to an on-premises Active Directory domain. Install Windows updates to the computers. You need to identify a solution that meets the requirements. Option A, Microsoft Endpoint Manager. Option B, Microsoft Intune. Option C, Windows Autopilot. Option D, Configuration Manager. Correct answer is A, Microsoft Endpoint Manager.
Question number 2. You are the desktop administrator for an organization. You need to ensure that Office 365 Pro Plus is installed on all employee computers. Which 3 tools can you use to deploy Office 365 Pro Plus? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Option A, Microsoft Intune. Option B, System Center Operations Manager. Option C, Windows Installer, MSI, package. Option D, Office Deployment Tool. Correct answer is A, Microsoft Intune, Option B, System Center Operations Manager, and D, Office Deployment Tool. Question number 3. A company has a Microsoft 365 subscription. Employees use personal devices to access company data in the cloud. You need to restrict employees from copying data to personal OneDrive folders. What should you use? Option A, Information Rights Management. Option B, Microsoft Azure Security Center. Option C, Office 365 Advanced Threat Protection. Option D, Intune App Protection. Correct answer is D, Intune App Protection. Question number 4. You are the Microsoft 365 administrator for a company. All staff must use Microsoft Outlook to access corporate email. When users access Outlook on mobile devices, they must use a PIN to open the application. You need to implement a Microsoft Intune policy to enforce the security requirements. Which policy should you use? Option A, Device Compliance. Option B, Device Configuration. Option C, App Protection. Option D, App Configuration. Correct answer is C, App Protection. Question number 5. A group of employees and users outside the company must be able to collaborate on a project in real time by using a whiteboard. In the Microsoft 365 admin portal, which Microsoft 365 product should you configure? Option A, Microsoft Teams. Option B, Microsoft SharePoint Online. Option C, Microsoft Office Delve. Option D, Microsoft Viva Engage. The correct answer is A, Microsoft Teams. Question number 6. You are the Microsoft 365 administrator for an organization. A group of employees and users outside the company must be able to collaborate on a project in real time by using a whiteboard. In the Microsoft 365 admin portal, which Office 365 product should you configure? Option A, Microsoft Yammer. Option B, Microsoft Office Delve. Option C, Microsoft SharePoint Online. Or Option D, Microsoft Teams. The correct answer is D, Microsoft Teams. Question number 7. Your organization plans to deploy Microsoft 365 in a hybrid scenario. You need to ensure that employees can use a smart card for authentication. Which hybrid identity solution should you implement? Option A, password hash synchronization with single sign-on. Option B, Active Directory Federation Services, or ADFS. Option C, Ping Federate and Federation Integration. Option D, pass-through authentication and single sign-on. Correct answer is B, Active Directory Federation Services, or ADFS. Question number 8. A company deploys Exchange Online and SharePoint Online. You must audit and assessment report for the Microsoft 365 cloud services that the company uses. You need to provide the required documents. Which Microsoft site should you use to obtain this information? Option A, Service Trust Portal. Option B, Azure Portal. Option C, Office 365 Security and Compliance Center. Option D, Compliance Manager. Correct answer is A, Service Trust Portal. Question number 9. When you enable external access by using the Microsoft 365 admin portal, data is available to anonymous users. Review the bold text. If it makes the statement correct, select No change is needed. If the statement is incorrect, select the answer choice that makes the statement correct. Option A, No change needed. Option B, the Everyone group is applied to all shares with full control. Option C, you must configure Active Directory Federation Services, ADFS. Option D, users can send sharing invitations for specific content. Correct answer is D, users can send sharing invitations for specific content. Question number 10. A company uses Microsoft 365. The company needs to remotely encrypt devices. You need to identify which solution meets the requirement. Which solution should you choose? Option A, retention labels. Option B, Microsoft Intune. Option C, Azure Information Protection Scanner. Or Option D, sensitivity labels. The correct answer is B, Microsoft Intune. And for full exam preparation, p2pexams.com provides high-quality practice questions and exam-focused study resources to help you prepare with confidence. Let's begin.